it's Carol, and I'm back in my art room Monday evening. I'm going to do a negative space with red, gray, and white. And I'll explain what I have in my paints. I'll just put you down so you can see. There we go. Okay, so I've got my paint mixed up with my pouring medium already mixed in the paints. And my pouring medium's in this little bottle here, and it's 3 parts Elmer's glue to 1 to 2 parts of Zensser. This one right now is 1 part. Sometimes I do 2, but no more than that. So 3 glue, 1 to 2 parts Zensser. And then mix it up, and you've got it ready to add to your paint. So in the paints, you have 1 part paint and 1 part pouring medium, 50-50, even. Same with my white. I've got it mixed up with half paint and half pouring medium. And I use distilled water to thin it down. And I've got my WD-40 in a jar that I've got ready to add to my paint. So I'll add that right now. I think I'll do 3. And I have a lot of paint in here, so if I'm going to add the white paint to my cup. I'll add my silicone in my cup. So I'm going to pour some white. I'm not going to make it a lot because I don't want it to be too much. So I'll add a little bit to that. Give it a little stir. Give my other paints a little stir. If you stir it a little bit, I think you get larger cells. If you stir it a lot, you get small cells. So I hear, and sometimes I believe it. So I'll just stir it medium. Maybe I'll get medium cells. Okay, I'm going to put some red. Gray. It's only 3 colors. I'm going to just leave the white for the top. Red. I don't think I'm going to put any white on the top because there's going to be white paint down. Take my trusty paper towels out here. I think I want a little more red. Okay. I think I'll move these out of the way in case I get paint all over them. Take some paint. spread this around. As quickly as I can. Okie dokie, let's see, get this over here. Paint. Okay. All right. Couple of flecks in there. Okay, here goes nothing. Everybody does that. Tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Maybe back a little this way. Okay, I think that's enough. Something in the paint there. do the sides later. I better get my little heat gun out. Well, I do have some big cells, some small cells, a few medium cells. Oh, that's cool right there. That is cool. Interesting. Gray, red, and white. Well, I hope you enjoyed this and learned something. And please subscribe to my channel and hit my like button and hit the notification button. And we'll talk to you later. I'll be back. And thanks for watching.